Welcome to the Daily Devo. My name is Diana. Today we are talking about what you are building up and tearing down. What are you building these days? And what might you be tearing down? Have you ever noticed that when you build a block tower with a young child, a big part of the fun is knocking down the tower? My nephews loved this activity when they were little. Well, listen to today's verse. It's found in Proverbs chapter 14, starting in verse 1. It says, "The wise woman builds her house, but with her own hands the foolish one tears hers down." Now, this is not talking about the innocent fun of playing like build the toy tower and knock it down like we talked about. This verse is reminding us that we all have the capacity to build with wisdom or to tear down with foolishness in our life. Let me ask you, is there an area of your life where the building up, tearing down habit is at work? We've all experienced this. I know I have. We are walking in wisdom in our everyday routines, we could say. We're building up, and then suddenly in foolishness, we tear it down and we're tired, for example. Maybe practically speaking, you could be building with wisdom in your sleep habits in the evening to try to get a good night's sleep, but then in foolishness, one evening or for multiple evenings, you change up your good habits and you're tired and you're distraught. Maybe you've been building in wisdom in conversations and you've been building trust, but then in foolishness, all of a sudden your rash words or your harsh comments or your indifference, you erode and tear down the very trust you've been building in that relationship. Does that make sense? Yes. Today's verse, it's reminding us that good things are built by wisdom. That's good news. Today's verse is also reminding us that foolishness has impact. It can tear down and erode the very thing we've been working to build up. So let's let today's verse help us pause and take an honest inventory for a moment, no matter how uncomfortable. Is there an area of your life? Is there a relationship, a habit, a routine, or a project that you really do value? And is there a practice of foolishness that you've been noticing lately? And as you courageously look at that foolish practice, can you see any tearing down tendencies or impact? This might help. Do you remember as a kid when you first learned that if you don't brush your teeth, they're gonna feel fuzzy and eventually your breath is gonna smell? You discovered that when you brush them, your teeth become clean and smooth and your breath is fresher. Well, today, what are you noticing and learning about your habits, actions, attitudes, and practices in your life? Are they building up or are they tearing down? Let's ask God and His good, strong grace and guidance to meet us again today. Let's receive His forgiveness if we need it and His support as we need it. And let's build with God His wise ways in our life. With wisdom, we can build. With foolishness, we tear down. I'll see you next time.